Today we will look at ways you may include lemons into your regular life. From the kitchen to your yard, lemons are more than simply fruit. Little powerhouses like these may simplify and freshen your life. Let us now delve in. Kitchen lemons. First, let's address the kitchen. A kitchen must item are lemons. They will help your meals taste better. Spoon some lemon juice over chicken or grilled seafood. It offers a tangy, fresh taste difficultly matched. You might also include lemon juice into your salad dressings. For a basic, delicious vinaigrette, mix it with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Marinades benefit much from lemon juice as well. Meat becomes juicy and delicious when its acidity tenderizes it. Even lemons can help to preserve your fruits. To stop cut apples or avocados from browning, squeeze a little lemon juice over them. Lemons serve purposes beyond mere nourishment. One can also clean with them. One can remove tough stains with lemon juice. To naturally scrub your kitchen sink, mix it with baking soda. On cutting boards too, it performs miracles. To get stains and smells off your cutting board, half a lemon will help. That's quite straightforward. Lemons for washing clothes. Let's now focus on laundry. Here too might you find lemons useful. Lemons can restore the brightness of your white clothing if they seem somewhat faded. To your washing machine, add half cup of lemon juice. It brightens and organically blebs your clothing. Furthermore, effective for tough stains on your clothing is lemon juice. Treat the stain exactly, then let it sit for a few minutes before cleaning. On even ink markings and perspiration stains, this performs nicely. You may also include lemon juice into your rinse cycle. It smells fresh, lemony on your clothes. Given lemons, who needs chemical-filled fabric softeners? Lemons for health and wellness. Lemons serve purposes beyond your house and wardrobe. They are also quite good for your wellness and general health. Glass of warm lemon water first thing in the morning. It's a perfect approach to hydrate your body and start your metabolism. Moreover, abundant in vitamin C is lemon water. Your immune system benefits from this. Drink lemon water if you sense a cold starting. It could just enable you to fend it off. Your skincare regimen might also benefit from lemons. Lemon's citrus acid can assist to brighten your complexion. Just be cautious, lemon juice may irritate delicate skin. Dilute it always with water before putting it on your face. Having lemon in your bath is another wellness advice. To your bathwater, toss some slices of lemon. It's reviving and can help your skin detoxify. Lemons in the garden. You could also find lemons useful in your garden. Yes. Lemon peels help to keep bugs off of your plants. Arrange the peels about your yard. Strong citrus smells discourage ants and other insects. Additionally, a weed killer is lemon juice. Combine it with vinegar and mist weeds. This is a green approach to maintain your garden in order. Also excellent for composting are lemons. Their great acidity accelerates the decomposing process. Just bear in mind not to add too many at once. Here and there a few lemon peels can work wonders. Lemons for deodorizing and cleaning. Not least of all, lemons are quite handy for cleaning. Lemons may clean the whole house from smells. One lemon will help you clean your waste disposal. Chop a lemon into little bits and chuck them away. Turn on some cold water running through it. Your kitchen will smell like fresh cleanliness. Lemons also help you clean your microwave. Inside the microwave, put a bowl of water including lemon slices. Just a few minutes of heating will help. The lemon water's vapor helps filth loosen and makes wiping away simple. Cleaning windows also benefits much from lemon juice. For a natural window cleaner, mix lemon juice with water and vinegar. It leaves your windows streak-free and brilliantly shiny. Lemons for personal endings. Lemons serve purposes outside your kitchen and house. They also fit very well for personal hygiene. Natural nail whitener is lemon juice. Run your nails with a lemon slice if they seem very dull. It makes them brilliant and leaves your hands smelling fresh. Lemon juice can also help to brighten your hair. Before you venture outdoors, spritz some lemon juice on your hair. Your hair looks softly sun-kissed from the natural sunlight mixed with the lemon juice. Lemons also help greatly freshen your breath. Gargle after diluting some lemon juice drops with water. It freshens your mouth and destroys germs. Lemon in beverages. Let's now finally discuss beverages. A timeless component for beverages are lemons. A drink of homemade lemonade cannot go wrong. Fresh lemon juice should be squeezed, add water, sweeten to taste. Any time of the day, this is a reviving beverage. Iced tea would also be much enhanced by lemon slices. They give your drink more taste and increase its refreshfulness. You might also squeeze lemon into your water. This is a basic approach to making ordinary water more fun. It also motivates you to sip more water over the day. You therefore have it. Lemons go beyond just fruit. For your kitchen, house, yard, and personal grooming, they are a flexible tool. When you next come upon a lemon, consider all the several uses for it. Thank you for viewing. Remember to like and subscribe for further ideas and techniques. See you in the forthcoming video.